Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this question. The question says that in the diagram above, or that's below now, the value of x degree plus y degree is equals to 220 degrees. Now we have to find the value of n degrees. This is where we have n degrees. Now, if you look closely, you see that between y degrees, we have another angle in here in the triangle. And let's tag this as y bar, y prime. And here also, let's tag this as x prime. Now, uniquely, you see that y degree plus y prime is equals to 180 degrees. That is angle on a straight line. That's the angle on a straight line. Permit me to just shorten it this way. Then for x degree plus y prime, or x prime, sorry, you see that's another 180 degrees. Same thing, it's angle on a straight line. That's on a straight line. So that y prime, which is inside this triangle, is obviously the same thing as 180 minus y degree. And x prime also is the same thing as 180 minus x degree. Now, if you look at the triangle itself, the n plus y prime plus x prime is equals to 180. That's sum of angle. That's sum of angle in a triangle. Now, n plus y prime, that's 180 minus y degree, plus x prime again, that's another 180 minus x degree, is equals to 180 degrees. Now, n plus, I have 180, that's 360, minus y degree minus x degree is equals to 180. Now, if you look at this now, you know that n plus 360 minus y minus x, if I bring out minus here, I can put a bracket here. This is y degree plus x degree is equals to 180. Now, remember that my x degree plus y degree would be given to be 220. So here I can substitute 220. So that n plus 360 minus 220 is equals to, I don't want to open a new slide, I just want to manage within this space, 180 degrees. So that n, this is 360 minus 220, that's n plus 140. 140 is equals to 180. N obviously is equals to 180 minus 140. N is equals to 40 degrees. N is equals to 40 degrees. So in place of n here, I can have n here to be the same thing as 40 degrees. With this, I hope you understand how to treat missing angles in a triangle.